Jamie. Hey, sweet. Is it fun to be outside in the snow? Is it fun to be outside? What do you think? What do you see? Oh, do you see the green balloon? You see the green balloon? There's a green balloon over here that Jamie has spotted. What do you think, honey? Is that funny? Do you like the green balloon? You can walk over and see it. You want to walk over and see your balloon? It's hard to walk, I know. Oh, I think that doesn't take you. What, sweetheart? Mama has the camera. In the camera case. In the camera. Should we walk over and should we get our stroller? You see the balloon. You can walk over and get the balloon. Yeah, sweetie. You see all the snow? Yeah, is that balloon funny? Is it funny? Uh-huh. You can walk back here. Uh-huh, it's a balloon. It's a balloon. You can come get it. Uh-huh, balloon. Boom. You're fine. Are you gonna make a snow angel? Are you gonna make a snow angel? Oh, that snow is cold. Mama's gotta brush you off. Mama's gotta brush you off. Can you wave bye-bye to the camera? Because Mommy needs her hands for brushing. Okay, that's sweet.